Nike's Pegasus Premium merges cutting-edge performance features with sleek design, embodying the brand's mission to blend function and style. Originally crafted for runners, the shoe quickly gained traction in the lifestyle market after its April 2024 debut. Its popularity is evident, with most colorways selling out fast, except for limited sizes. Even collaborations like the Faith Kipyegon edition prioritize visual appeal. In a possible nod to simplicity and focus, Nike Running is releasing a new platinum tint colorway. The shoe features a minimal aesthetic with a sprayed-on run logo and a reverse swoosh, mirroring the style seen on the Vomero 18. Interestingly, the insole showcases the swoosh in its traditional orientation. Priced at $220, this latest iteration of the Pegasus Premium will be available on Nike.com and select retailers like Dick's starting July 3. With strong demand and versatile appeal, the model continues to cement its place in both sport and streetwear.